Introducing my DVR kit from GQ Products. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Inside you will find a box that has all of the wires required. We have the unit itself, and also the 4 cameras are in a separate box. They come individually boxed with the hardware included inside each and every box. The only wires that are not included are your output wires for the monitor or the TV output, such as VGA and HDMI. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to connect the wires. This is the power cord. Here is your DM5 cord. This is your mouse. In the back, the HDMI or the VGA cable should go. These cables usually come with your monitor or a screen. And this is where the camera hookup would go. This is the input channel. Notice that all the wires are included with the kit. And now we're going to go ahead and explain how to set up your cameras using the operating system inside the DVR. Go ahead and right-click on the screen to bring up a prompt where you'd be asked to enter a default password, which is 123456. You can change that later. And we're going to go ahead and set up the network for your phone first. Go ahead and click on the network. Click on mobile to bring up the QR codes. And next, using the app, go ahead and scan one of the QR codes accordingly to your either an iPhone, an Android operating systems. There's 3 different QR codes, each one of them for different operating system. And once the QR code is scanned, your phone will go ahead and automatically be set up. This is the easiest way to set up and the quickest for the mobile phone. Next, let's go ahead and set up your screen to connect to all the cameras as well. Click on display, and first we need to set up the time. This way it will be synced. Go ahead, follow the prompts, fill out all the fields necessary according to your location, according to your preference, whether you'd like to use military time or AM, PM, differentiation, the date, and the geographic location. And now we're going to go ahead and set up the network for the cameras to connect into the DVR and display on the monitor. Go ahead and select the DHCP from the top to automatically find the cameras. After which, your DVR, after automatically finding the cameras, will reset itself. And now we're going to set up the unit to record at all times. Right-click to bring up the menu and hit record. Here on your left, set all channels on, and it will record from all of the channels that are currently plugged into the unit itself. After which, go ahead and hit apply. Now, recording at all times may not actually be the best thing for you. What you want to do in these cases to preserve the space on your hard drive is to set up a motion recording. To do that, let's go ahead and turn off the recording, continuous recording, by turning off the channel here in the recording control box. Right-click to exit this prompt. And then cruise on over to the device. In the device menu, select motion detecting. Here we're going to go and make sure that all channels are on and increase the sensitivity of the motion detections. This will ensure that any slightest motion will trigger the recording process. Next, in the area setup, we will go ahead and reveal the area where sensitivity should not be paid much attention to. So whichever is purple will be the one that camera is going to be paying attention the most to, tracking the motion in those areas that are purple. The areas that are revealed in this setup grid is the area where the motion is going to be not paid attention to by the camera. Next, let's go ahead and change the password. Click on the system and go to password. Here, we can change the administrative password. The administrative password is on top. It should be very intuitive. Just go ahead and click it. Use the backspace symbol on the panel that comes up after you click this to delete the old password, and you can enter the new password. It should be very self-explanatory. After you set the password on the left column, you will have to confirm the same password for the same user on the second column, on the right column. After two passwords match successfully, you will have successfully changed the password. This has been a quick setup guide for the 4-camera DVR system from GQ Products. Enjoy!